Hey everybody, it's Paula here and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restrict the access to a Zoom call using an NFT. That's right, you can gate a Zoom call using a non-fungible token. And this is just another utility that you can add to an NFT that you have issued. This can be used for educational events. It can be used for sponsored events. It can be used for one-to-ones. It can be used for social events. There's so many applications of being able to lock or gate or restrict the access of a Zoom call using an NFT. And it is really, really simple thanks to the LIT protocol. So to get started, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need an NFT and the contract number. You're going to need a Zoom account and you're going to have pre-scheduled your Zoom call in advance. So log into your Zoom account now and schedule a Zoom call for some time in advance that you can use as an example for this demonstration. You're also going to need a Metamask wallet, but if you have an NFT and you've minted an NFT, chances are you already have your Metamask wallet. Now, if you don't have an NFT, the LIT protocol have made it very simple for you to mint your NFT with them. So I'm going to drop some links below this video, and one of these links is the link to this website, the litgateway.com/apps. And this is where we are going to launch the application from. Now, if we scroll down before we get into the Zoom part, there is the unlockable NFT minter in here. And as I said, you can mint an NFT in here if you haven't already got one to use to lock your Zoom call. And then you can issue that NFT to all of the people that you want to be able to attend your Zoom call. So all you have to do is, it's really, really simple, is select launch. And when you select launch, this is going to ask you to connect with your wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to connect. I do trust this app because I've used it before. It is going to look at account addresses and activities, nothing peculiar there. Now, if you've not used this before, you will now be prompted to log in with your Zoom account. So go ahead and log in with your Zoom account. And when you do, you will see that you are logged in up here, and you can use this to log out when you're ready. Down here, you can set your Zoom meetings that you want to restrict or access. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, select provision access. And what this will do is go through your Zoom account and pull up all of the scheduled meetings that you have happening in advance. So once you have found the meeting that you want, you can then select this meeting. So by pressing on the arrow, you select the meeting. This then just confirms the meeting and the date of the meeting, and it lets you know that there's no current access controls. Now, what we're going to do is set access conditions. So the conditions to ungate this Zoom call. So we will say create requirements, and this opens up a dialog box that allows us then to create the conditions that lock or unlock this particular Zoom call. So first of all, we are going to select the network in which the NFT is minted. And I know it is minted on Polygon, my one, but you'd select the network that you have your NFT minted on. Then we have the option of who can access this: an individual wallet, an individual NFT, a group of token or NFT holders, or even a DAO member. And there's lots of ways, lots of conditions that you can set other than just holding a particular NFT in here. So I want a group of token or NFT holders. Now in here, it says select the NFT or enter the contract address. So I'm going to enter the contract address. And down here, I'm going to select the actual contract type. Now it's asking me for the token ID. Now, my particular NFT that I'm using only has one token in it, and the token ID is 0. But you may have many NFTs in there, maybe some collection of NFTs in there, And you may have other ones that you want to also list. In that case, you can put them in separated with a comma. Down here then it asks us how many tokens does the wallet holder need to own. And I'm going to say one, so it needs a minimum of one of these NFTs with this token number to be able to unlock the Zoom call. So I'm going to say next. And now it has given us the details to review again. So it's saying we need to own at least one of this particular NFT with this token. It's on the chain Polygon, and the condition is an EVM basic. Now, if you make this condition permanent, you can't change it later. So I'm not going to make this permanent, and I am going to select done. Now we can see the access that has been set to our Zoom call, and we can get a share link. Now it's this share link now that we need to use when we are sharing the Zoom call with other people. So I have the share link copied, and I'm going to just paste it up here. So we can see now when somebody joins with the link that we provide them. So we've got the link from our Lit protocol, the app, and we can now send them this link, and this is what they see. And they now need to connect their wallet and join the Zoom call from using their own wallet, and it will check to make sure that they hold a specific NFT, and it'll then let them access the Zoom call. So, as I said, it is a really simple process to follow. I'd love to hear how you got on, how you envision that you would use a tool like this. I think it really adds that extra benefit again for NFTs, especially if you want to give somebody private time, one-on-one time, or access to an exclusive event or educational content. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I do hope that you will give it the big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my videos. Goodbye now.